In this video, I'll show you how to translate YouTube videos using ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Depending on the current features available, look for the dubbing or video translation tools. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to use and translate the video content. Next, provide the supported video file or source through the appropriate ElevenLabs workflow. The system can analyze the original audio and prepare it for translation. Choose the original language, and then select the language you want to translate the video into. ElevenLabs can process the spoken content and create translated speech using AI-generated voices. Review the translated result carefully. Pay attention to names, technical terms, pronunciation, and whether the translated dialogue matches the original meaning. If the platform provides editing options, make corrections where necessary before generating the final version. Listen to the translated video from beginning to end to make sure the voiceover feels synchronized and natural. When you're satisfied, use the available export or download options to produce the translated version. And that's how you can translate YouTube video content with ElevenLabs. Always respect copyright and make sure you have permission to use the original content.